Hello friends, happy all, I'm back again with yet another super handy guide. It's time to learn how to record audio with transcripts in the Apple Notes app on iPhone and iPad. In iOS 18, Apple has introduced a built-in audio recording feature that allows you to capture and transcribe voice notes with better control and precision. What makes it so impressive is the ability to record audio directly within a note. Do know that this brand new feature is currently available only on iPhone 12 and later models. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to launch the Apple Notes app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to create a new note or open an existing one. And then you have to tap inside the note to bring up the software keyboard. And then you have to select the paperclip icon from the menu right above the keyboard. And then you have to choose the record audio option from the pop-up menu. After that, you have to press the record button to start your recording. And when you want to stop it, just tap on this very button. And if you want to view the transcript, you just have to tap on the code bubble icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. And if you want to add the full transcript to the note, you have to tap on the triple dot icon in the top right corner of the screen. And then you have to select Add Transcript to the note from the drop-down menu. And finally, you have to tap on the Done button, and that's pretty much it. As you can see, Apple Notes app automatically generates a real-time transcriptions. Hence, it becomes pretty easy to review and search through the recorded content. Keep in mind that it currently only supports English. However, Apple is expected to make it work with other languages as well in future. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye.